Hello, good morning. Hope that you are doing well. It was quite long, but today we are going to talk about R. This one is our first session in English about R. R is a software which can allow us to make analysis, even draw maps, and also do many things. But in this case, we are going to talk about R, how R can help us to analyze our data as a statistical software. Okay, then first for all, before to talk about R or before to do anything, we need to have it. Then we are going to show how to download R. R is a free software. You can download it for free. Okay, then if you don't have yet R, you can go on rproject.org. Choose CRAN and cloudrproject.org. Then download R for Windows. Okay, if you are using Windows, download R for Windows. And now we have what we are calling also RStudio. RStudio is working when R is already existing. You have already downloaded R. Okay, but you cannot load or download RStudio without having R. It will not work. It will not work. You cannot use it to analyze your data. Then they are going together. But first of all, we need just to download R. After downloading R and we are sure that we have it, we can now download RStudio. Now let us see how we can download RStudio. Go on rstudio.com, RStudio desktop for free, and RStudio for Windows. We take the one for 64-bit, but if your computer or your system, the one we are using for 32 bits, you can use the older versions of R. Okay, that is, and when you do this kind of things, you can have your things. It will come. You have to click next up to installation, and from where when you download the software, there can be you can find your R and RStudio. Then if you see a RStudio downloaded from your computer, you just click on it and open it. You will be having the shortcut which can help you now to open it. That is those steps we need to do. And once you have it, you can open your R and we have things like that. That is the environment of R. Okay. Then when you get your R and you open it like that, yeah, we need now to understand what is happening here. The environment of R. We have different windows here. We have 4 main windows. We have this one, the first windows where we are putting our command or program. The one I can call me command window, and we have console. It's from here we are getting our result, and here we have the global environment. From here we can import data. Yes, and we can also have title of some things if we need it to be explained well. And the fourth window we have here, where we can have the list of packages here, and when we have plots, we plots in R on this window, we can see those graphs and plots, and if we need help is from here. Then we have command window, console, global environment, and the file, plots, package, help, viewer window. That is how R look like. Okay, the background color can just be different, but for now we have it in white. It's okay. Okay, then when we get to be in R, first of all, what we need, let me say this command which can allow you to clean your console, because it will always be coming like that. Yeah, and you can see you cannot delete and clean it like the way we are doing with our words. We need some things to do before it will be clean. Then the easy way to go with it is just you click on control, hold on, and now L, control L. Can you see control L is cleaning my environment? When you click on control, hold on, and you can click on L again. That's a command. Another way to clean is just to come here. You can see something there. When you click on it, it will be clean. Okay, when I put even my cursor on it, you can see the command coming, clear console, control L. Yeah, that is what we need to do first of all to clean our console. When we clean our console now, you know that whatever the software we are just using, we need to have data inside. And fortunately, those software like Starter, Python are also has built-in data. We can call they are part of R. We can call them and now use them. Yeah, and we need also to talk about those packages. There are many. We are just working in R with packages. Packages are those one are containing some data and some functions we can use, because sometimes we need to do something and we need a specific package. But when you finish even to download your R, there are some packages already built in. Yeah, and there are some also because of what you want to do, you need to install them. Then let's us see those packages around here. For example, when you click on this window, let me call it window package, you can see those one in blue are those packages you have. There are some of them already installed. You did not do that to install again. Okay, let's say that we are starting here. You want to download data and do something in R. Then the command we are using to install a package, like we have many ways to go, but the command we can use is install packages, like that. And now inside install packages, you put the name of the package you want to download. Okay, I have this one. For example, let's say that we want to download the package Woolrich, yeah, which is a set of many data. Woolrich. Then can you see what is happening? You have just to put install package Woolrich now, and you can run. Okay. Okay. Another things to learn from here. After cleaning the console, the first next command you should know is control enter. Control enter allow you to run, or maybe you can just come here where it is written run, and you can run to have your data. Let us do that. Whatever you want to do, install or load or whatever you want to run, you can just come and click here or use control plus enter. Okay, let us run now. When running, okay, when it's come like blue, that means that it's in process to come, it will come. And another things we have also to learn is when you finish to install a package, you need to load it. You need to load it. It's like, let me say, you need to call it before to be used. Okay, and the command you are just using to load data here inside is a library. And as I was just telling you, inside Woolrich as package, we have many data. Okay, then here, one of the data is just wage one, for example. Then if now I run this one, library wage one, if I run it, I will have my package. Sorry, before whatever the package, we need to load the package itself. Wage one is data. Is at the moment we will be calling data, I will use wage one. Okay, then what I have to do again is Woolrich like it, and now load it. Okay, as I'm saying, loading is just calling data, calling the package to come, okay, to be used. Now I finished to load my data. Can you see? Library will is in blue. And now I want to call data now. Yeah, I need to call to load package before to call data belonging to this package, for example. Then so at that moment now I can use wage one. Okay, data wage one. If I call it now, it can come. Okay. Okay, it's already there, and you can see we have 526 observation or 24 variables. 526 observation of 24 variables. And how to see this data built in. Yeah, we can just click on it like that, and it will come. We will see this data we are talking about. This data wage in is composed of all those things and so on. That is one way to see data as a frame. Okay, another way also to see your data and see the structure of your data is just to use this command we are calling head and put the name of data. Here is wage one. And now if you need 3 rows, whatever the number of rows you need, you can just put the number. But if we are not putting anything, it's 6 rows which will come. Then let us run also this one using control enter. Okay, and as you can see, data is around with 3 rows. Yeah, wage, we have those variable wage, education, experience, and those okay. And the important things we allow like have to see how your data is like. You can see how your variables are structured. You can see whatever quantitative data, what is a qualitative, and so on. It's giving you a view of your data. That is then. Yeah, to summarize, when you finish to open your R, what you need to do first is to install the package. Yeah, and now after load the package, after loading the package, you have to call data. And from data, when you call data, you have already data. You will be having data around, and now you can see the structure of your data. And now from the structure of data, it can allow you, or it can help you now to see which kind of analysis you want to do according to the structure of your data. That's the first part of our programming learning. Yeah, today first part, and try to see those next parts because they will come. Now we have just seen how to install R and how to start to do something from R. Okay. Let's ask next time. Just next time, I will be calling this one our training part 1. You have just to look for those part 2, part 3, and so on. Thank you so much, and thank you for your time.